The images you'll see in this course are of my paintings. Vibrational expressionism is the term used for paintings that are vibrated into existence. When the painting is almost done, vibration is added to it. These paintings are the visual component to my sonic world.
Look at it, it's just breathing.
Thus the drones are transformed into visual content. Art is all about the flow. The flow is the drone. The drone is the flow. Flow is translated physically into colors, which I paint using wash, oil, acrylic. I use different methods to bring out the valleys, the rivers, the mountains, the ice caps, the people and animals, all different kinds of figures that you'll see in these paintings. Look closely, and you will find that these paintings take you deeper into the drone.